And welcome back. Let's kick things off with football, shall we? 6 newcomers have been named in the Reggae Boyz squad for the upcoming Unity Cup to be held at the Charlton Athletic Club in England. The tournament will also feature Nigeria, Zimbabwe and India. Bailey Kadamatari and Kaylin Cole Kadamatari could become the 6th pair of brothers to represent Jamaica in international football. 16-year-old newcomer Kaylin Cole has been named in the Reggae Boyz 24-man Unity Cup squad, where he'll join older brother Bailey, who already has 6 caps for the country. Kaylin Cole, who was born in Scotland, plays as a striker and is on the books of Manchester City, who signed him in 2025 from Sheffield Wednesday for £1.5 million. 21-year-old Bailey, who made his debut for Jamaica in 2025 against Trinidad and Tobago in World Cup qualifying, has already scored twice for the Reggae Boyz. The other newcomers are Odin Samuels-Smith, a 19-year-old defender who plays for Everton. Another newcomer is Marlon van der Wetering, who is 18 and plays for SV Eindhoven in the Netherlands. Van der Wetering, who is a right-sided defender, was part of the Under-20 Reggae Boyz team, which won 5 games in a row in the recent CONCACAF Under-20 World Cup qualifiers in Curacao, where he had 3 assists. 23-year-old midfielder Courtney Clark, who plays for Walsall in English League 2, Deshaun Brown, a 20-year-old forward who plays for Derby County, and 19-year-old forward Nick Simmons, who has previously played for Jamaica at the Under-17 and Under-20 levels. Simmons is the brother of reggae girl Cameron and is also the son and grandson of former national representatives Gregory and Patrick, respectively. Goalkeeper Joshua Grant, who played in 2 friendlies against Trinidad and Tobago in 2025, has also been included. Conia Boyce Clark, who hasn't represented Jamaica since 2024, has earned a recall, while Brandon Cover, who was in the 2025 Unity Cup squad, makes a return. Kaheem Dixon, who was left out of Jamaica's Intercontinental World Cup playoff matches, is also included. Tafari Chambers and Raheem Edwards of Mount Pleasant FA, the Cavalier pair of Giovanni Leng and Christopher Ainsworth, Nikhil Ellis of Racing United, Dwight Merrick of Montague Bay United, and Nicalia Fuller of Tivoli Gardens are the local-based players included in the squad. Damian Lowe, Joel Latiboder, Ronaldo Webster, Dexter Lembekisa, and Isaac Hayden are the other players from the failed World Cup qualifying campaign who have been included.